Made Natural, and I came back to show you guys another DIY recipe. This one is for my new moms. If you have watched any of my past breastfeeding videos and you're a new mom, I just want to say to stay strong and stick it out, because the first couple of weeks are pretty rough, maybe even the first month or two, depending on how everything's going with you. They're really rough, but this recipe is going to be for you to be able to make your own nursing butter. So I really hope that this helps. Be sure to stay tuned, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions. So let me start by showing you what you're going to need. Some good old aloe vera juice, of course. Some completely raw shea butter. Completely raw shea butter. We are gonna need coconut oil and good old olive oil. Also, unless you have a double boiler already, you're gonna need an extra bowl, your pot of boiling water, and a tablespoon. So the first step to making your own nursing butter is going to be to boil the water in your pot and use your extra bowl, or if you have a double boiler, use that to melt down your shea butter. Okay, I got my shea butter all melted. You don't want the water to actually start boiling. You want to turn it off once the water gets hot so that you're not cooking your shea butter, you're only melting it down. This next part is going to be easy. The only thing you're doing is adding 1 tablespoon of each ingredient. And while the shea butter is hot, that means your coconut oil will easily melt. Okay, so that's what we want. We want all these oils to be blended together as easy as possible. Let's see if you can kind of see my bowl. Okay, we want everything to be melted and equal. The only thing that you want to do now is take your mixture of oils, put it in the refrigerator, give it a decent amount of time for it to come back into a solid for you so that you can use it to be soothing and healing thanks to the aloe vera that we put in there. Now, as you can see with these ingredients, I mean, it's not just a nursing butter. You can use this for other things as well. Sometimes I use it when I run out of my moisturizer. Sometimes I use it for other things, but this is the best thing and the most natural for us to use while we're breastfeeding. But I do want to say that if you do add aloe vera, because this would be a great recipe with or without aloe vera. But if you do choose to add aloe vera, if you're cracked, if you feel like your area needs some healing, then yes, add the aloe vera, but only use it after each feeding, not before. If you don't have aloe vera in there, use it before and after every feeding, okay? And please go check out my breastfeeding truths video so you can just kind of get an idea of what to expect. Don't feel discouraged, and happy breastfeeding moms. I hope this recipe really helps you guys, okay?